Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, we're actually going to talk about sellers' estimated closing costs, what that looks like for a seller. So we have a slew of things that we're going to go over. One is your mortgage payoff. So if you have a mortgage, that is the first thing that's obviously going to come off because they need to get paid. That removes the lien from the property. And just estimate a little bit more than what you actually owe. There are always some fees that they tack on. And if you don't have a mortgage, hey, more money in your pocket, right? And then the commission, then that's whatever you negotiated with your agent. And then transfer tax in the city of Philadelphia is 2.139%. And if you're in the suburbs, it ranges from like 1 to 1.5% for transfer tax. And then you have your L&I cert, which is also a Philadelphia thing. That's a flat fee of about $113. And that's to make sure there's no violations on the property. And if there are, then that's, you as the seller's responsibility to take care of those violations. And then we have these other two things over here. We have PGW and water payoff. Those things are lienable against your house in Philadelphia. They, for example, if you rented out your house and the tenant, and you weren't a part of a program, and the tenant just left and didn't pay their PGW bill, you are responsible for that. So these two things are lienable. You're going to have a payoff at the end. And then you have a credit. Credits are great, right? So the buyer is actually going to give you money back. So say, for example, you sold the house in March. So the buyer is going to give you tax or give you money back for March to the end of the year. So you get that money back. And if you did not pay your taxes, then that money will be used, obviously, to get your taxes paid, because that also will remove the lien from the house. And then you subtract all these things and add your credit, and you are left with the proceeds. So that pretty much sums it up, guys. That seller estimated closing costs. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day.